Okay, so this is how much money I've made since investing. Don't get scared of the Swedish crowns and shit. I don't know how to change the currency. Obviously, I would have wanted this to be in USA, in USD, but this is approximately $800. This is since start. I've approximately invested 1 year. I don't really have a great way to show exactly 1 year since I started, but this is like 1 year and 15 days into the month. We can see here what have made me that money and everything. But before, I just want to explain some things. I'm a student, right? Or I was a student. Now I'm currently like working almost full time at a grocery store. I'm 20 years old. I used my loan from the school, which here in Sweden is very low, and I invested it into a global index fund basically. So that is kind of my story. I'm gonna go through with you because this is more, I made some stock picking and shit, and I'm gonna go through it. My first year of investing, 8,000. Like basically I would probably be more closer to 12,000, I think, or $1,200 if I haven't sold this yet, and I still believe in it. Novo Nordisk, I'm gonna talk about it, but this is dragging it down a bit. But let's go through it, and I think everyone should start investing. That is not the financial advice, by the way. I just want to say that. But let's go over it, how I made the money my first year investing. So everything you see, you can kind of take away take away the last 5 here, and just put it in dollars, and that is pretty much how much it is in dollar, like approximately, right? If we say that 1 Swedish krona is worth, I mean 10 Swedish crowns is worth $1, it's approximate, it's a bit more, but whatever. So I invested under a long period of time and put in like 1,000 to $2,000 each month since I live with my parents and don't have any expenses. So what I invested mostly in is Avanza Global. Can I do this? Yes, we can. Okay, nice. I don't expose any critical information, I hope, here that makes you guys just hack my account. I don't think so. Uh, Basically, this is just an index fund, obviously. So it has gone very good. I see in 1 year 29%. But since I've invested, I didn't invest everything here. I invested here, every time throughout the year. So I haven't got that exact development of my portfolio, or what do you say? I don't know the word in English. So that is that is where I've allocated the most money and where I've made the most money, obviously. Then we have some more. Then I have some stock trades I have, right? I have Paradox Interactive. You maybe played any of their games sometime. They have Hearts of Iron. They make big grand strategy game. And I made a pretty good trade. I think I put in like 20. Oh, well, what is that? $2,000 in this company, and I made I think $1,000. I made a 1,400. I mean $140 trade plus, which is kind of great. Same with MPC Container Ships. This is just container ship company. It is going very bad for them now. But this was also like I'm just gonna say none of these trades have been like fun. I haven't done analysis or anything. I just kind of went with my gut feeling. I'm gonna be honest with you. I just went with my gut feeling. But they also had a big dividends yield, which I took. I stayed for like one of these dividends yield, and it was like $50, and then I kind of sold when I had had made some good money on how the stock had gone as well. Then we can look here. Oh, this was my best, I think. You can see here some more. I'm gonna go over these later, but we can go over because this shows a bit more, right? So I also have ASML Holding. This was very early in 2014 where I bought it, and I thought like, oh, it's gotta be a no-brainer. This company is gonna go so high, But I don't think I can see when I bought and when I sold. I think you can in some way. I just don't know how to do it. But basically, I think I bought like here somewhere, and then it went up, and then I sold, and then it just went down. Maybe buying opportunity now. I don't know. I'm not saying anyone should do it. This is just what I'm thinking, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have any financial education, should be told as well. I've just learned all myself and everything. This one also made some profit. I didn't put in much. This one also. Like these are the one I put in the most in. I made some good profits. And here is like here I had like a period, like these stocks, this to this is like a period I had when I just quickly went into stocks and then like changed my mind. I was like, why am I even buying this? Like I just had I was just like, wait, I'm gonna go buy this. Like I had not even a gut feeling. I was just like, I want to put my money into this. Like very random. I don't know what I thought. And now we come down to Novo Nordisk, though, which I'm very heavily invested in. I have like $5K I've put in this company, but I'm back like $600. But I believe in it, and next time I get paid, I'm gonna put more money into it probably, or XRP. That is like the two things I'm considering right now, or maybe I should just split it. But that is basically my portfolio and how I made. I didn't even make much. $800. Like what? But I would say it's closer to like $1,200 because this has come on the recent days. Like now it's like 14th January, and that's when this have been. If we should talk like exactly 1 year, I think it's from January the first last year, which when I started, I pretty much started in the beginning. But yeah, that's pretty much a portfolio. Then I had some what do you call it? Everyone index funds. No, not index funds, but funds, right? So Avanza Global, basically global index fund. Then I have this. I still have this. These have sold. I shouldn't have sold them in my opinion. Maybe this one I should have sold, but this one, these two, I think I should have held. But I kind of just wanted to. I thought it's. I think it's so boring with funds, um, but this one I'm still holding. I believe in this silver fund. I can't really tell you like, oh, the analysis. I think I think silver prices will go up because of this and this. I can't really tell you. Just like purely feeling, purely me just saying. I listen to the person, like the person who owns these funds or like manage them. He has been interviewed in some interviews, and when he talks about shit, I kind of agree, or not agree, but he sounds trustworthy in my opinion. Like I would say I'm pretty good at judging that kind of thing. Now, has it gone good for it? No, it hasn't. It's very dependent on silver price and everything, but I see it as a long-term investment, right? But then we also have some certificate I forgot about. So you can see here I bought Bitcoin. It made some profits there. Very good profits. This is a certificate for Bitcoin. Then I didn't buy the real Bitcoin, right? And then bull Nvidia X10 is kind of funny. You see, I sold. Think I put like $1,000 here. Sold with but this was like I bought it, held it for like 10 minutes, and then I was like, "What am I doing?" I have no idea. That was straight again. I was like, "Hmm." I just woke up one day and was like, "It would be fun to buy with what do you call it in English?" Yeah, but with a multiplier. I don't know what you call it in English. Um, with X10, and I did it, and I was like 10 minutes later I was like, no, what the hell am I doing, and just sold it. So yeah, that's basically my journey and my first year, and I'm looking forward to upload more and update you guys and share with my losses, with my thoughts. I think like I just enjoy, like I think legit the stock market and everything is an infinite game. Like if you want to be good at any game, you should be good at the stock market. But because the stock market is a game where like I discussed this with my friend like for a day ago or something, and I thought about it, and it's like the amount of money you have is actually like your SR or your LP or whatever games you've played. Like it's your rank status, right? So I'm quite low ranked, right? And the more money you have, the higher ranks you have. And how you increase it is either by you work and shit, you can work that as well, but then you can also increase by playing the stock market game, right? You can um by playing the stock market, like the stock market, there are psychological factors. You gotta know the business, know the branch. Oh, sorry, I hit the mic. There's so much know, and these things are constantly evolving. So I think this is a game everyone, like, if you want to make money, get good at this game, right? uh but yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. Just wanting to have that said, and I hope you enjoyed. Hope I inspired um some young people who want to start investing or something. I think it's great. I'm not a financial investor. Yeah, that's it. Bye.